heard about the film class and I wanted to join, and I'm glad I did. It's a lot of participation. People, there's not one kid in our class that's just like sitting down, doesn't want to do it. It's everybody's having fun doing it.
It was pretty fun. It went by really fast though.
I know, it's like you think 2 hours is a lot, but then you don't have enough time.
I know it's going on for 2 hours. Sometimes that can feel forever, like he said. But you know, when you're in a class this creative and you get to like spare your creativity like this, you wish you could have more time to expand. You know?
We're learning something new, and it's filmmaking, which I really watch a lot of filming stuff, and I really want to like understand it, and I really want to try something new. So that's what my goal is for right now. Try something new.